Shivansh.
We are the students of grade 4B.
Today we are construct the balancing machine.
So let's construct it.
Now our balancing machine is ready.
It is an example of a first class lever. In between there is a fulcrum and it is called a balancing machine, and it can also be used like we use it to. So there is a two. So the two are heavier than one. So it is called a balancing machine that is carrying out the weight of the.
This side have the more load, so it is the heavier side.
And it is going down. And this side has only one, and it is lighter than the right side, so this side is going up. Thank you and have a nice day.